2017 Dodge Hellcrate Enngine 6.2-liter V8 delivers plug-and-play Hellcate. SEMA just provided another entry for the folder marked "What a Time to Be Alive," with Mopar's announcement of the Hellcate 6.2-liter supercharged Crate HEMI engine. Enthusiasts have been desperate to upgrade their vintage rides with the woozy thrills provided by Dodge's Hellcat motor, so Mopar answered. The Hellcate engine assembly ships in plug-and-play configuration, in specially designed packaging with Hellcate logos. The assembly sells separately from the Hellcate engine kit, the kit adding a powertrain control module, power distribution center, engine wiring harness, chassis harness, accelerator pedal, ground jumper, oxygen sensors, charge air temperature sensors, and fuel pump control module. The PCM comes programmed with the production car engine's 707 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. An optional front-end accessory drive kit contributes peripherals like alternator, power steering pump, belts, and pulleys. Don't bother trying to lash up a sleeper 1997 Chrysler Sebring, though. Mopar tuned the Hellcate for pre-1976 vehicles and manual transmissions.